Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can remove your background image using an AI bot in Telegram X. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram X app on your mobile. Then tap on the search icon that appears on the top right corner of your screen. Then look up AI background remover. And then tap on the first option that appears with the AI underscore background underscore remover underscore bot. Tap on it. Then you can tap on start that appears on the bottom of your screen. Now you simply select the picture you want to remove your background of and then send it in this chat. You can do so by tapping on either of the options that appears below. If you want to edit the background out of a live photo, then you tap on the camera icon that appears on the message bar towards your right, and then if you tap on the camera icon, Telegram X will take your photo. Then you can simply tap on the airplane icon that appears at the bottom right of your screen to send it to the bot. However, if you want to send an image from your gallery, tap on the icon beside the camera and then scroll down until you find the photo you want to remove the background image of. I have selected this image. Now I will simply click on the airplane icon that appears on the bottom right of my screen. After I've sent my image, the AI will simply text back an image removing the background. To view it, I simply tap on the center of the image that the bot has sent me. As you can see, the bot completely removes background from your image. I hope you found this video useful. You can also do the same to remove any type of background from your image using Telegram X. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.